Then.
White man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes, he killed our creed. He took our game for his own need. We fought him hard, we fought him well. Out on the plains, we gave him hell. But many came too much for Cree. Oh, will we ever be set free? Riding through dust clouds and barren waste, galloping hard in the flames, chasing the redskins back to their holes, fighting them at their own game. Not out for freedom or stab in the back, women and children and cowards are dead. Run to the hills, run for your lives. Run to the hills, run for your lives. Soldier blue in the barren waste, hunting and killing's a game. Raping the women and wasting the men, the only good engines are tame. Selling them whiskey and taking the gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Run to the hills, run for your lives. 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 Run to the hills, run for your
I think I broke the red thread on my double button.
I think I broke my arm.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh, yeah, 81.